I am Prathamesh Jadhav from 8th grade from Winden StudyPark, Nasik branch. So, I hope that today inspires ideas and discussion in that way that we can make our country a better place. We face pollution crisis due to burning of fossil fuel. And the cost of fossil fuel is rising up daily. And 35% of fossil fuel in our country is caused by burning of fossil fuel. So, I think that there should be an alternative fuel which doesn't cause pollution and which is eco-friendly. And India is dependent in the means of fuel. Because India brings 50% fuel from UAE, 32% from Iraq and 80% from Colombia. And we cannot, if this country drop the transport of fossil fuel, then there will be problem in our country and we cannot decline the necessity of fossil fuel. So, an alternative fuel that I have made is ethanol. This particular yellowish layer you can see is ethanol. Ethanol is a colorless, volatile, flammable liquid which is made by natural fermentation of sugar. So, I have made it using sugarcane and yeast. I have took a jar, put some sugarcane and put some yeast in it. And after some days, 5 to 4 days, this particular yellowish layer has formed. I think that our agriculture system has a great problem. First, India has to face problem of food grain. India doesn't have efficient food grain to eat. But now, India has surplus of food grain and sugar. So I think that the surplus sugar which is the surplus sugarcane which is used to make sugar should be used to make ethanol. So it will be profitable for the farmers and it will be profitable to us also. And the cost of fossil fuel means petrol is 120 rupees and that of ethanol is 62 rupees. So for a common person, it is favorable to buy ethanol which is non-pollution and eco-friendly fuel. And India has also brought a technology which flex cars which works on ethanol. And I think that the average that ethanol cars give is equal to the average given by petrol car. And I think that in our country, the cheapest means of transport is train. But nowadays, we mostly use trucks. So it is favorable for the trucks to get ethanol. And if in future I get a chance to hire an ethanol company, so I will think that there should be ethanol company in every village and every city. So it will for the transport, so that the transport and communication of our India will be non-stop. And I think that one day our India should be a developed and independent country. Thank you.